What's going on, everybody? So Sladen to Aknia. Welcome back to another video today. And in today's video, I am out here with my little partner in crime, Lin. So we just out here for our evening walk. So I took her on a nice walk up here to my old high school, brought her down here from our place, and she's walking along these rocks up here that they added, and there she is. So yeah, we're just out for our evening walk. I took her around already, so I'll be including a bunch of shots from different parts of the city where we were at in this video. I normally take her for about 15 to half an hour. Sometimes I run her, sometimes I don't. We just go on a nice walk, exercise walk. Come on, Lynn. As you can see, I have her off leash. She's fine off leash. It's just when there's little dogs or other dogs around, she tends to get a little bit barky, so I have to recall her back. But at least here where I'm at, there's no dogs right now, so we're able to do this. Now I do off leash train her daily, just so she gets used to my commands, my recalls. Come on, Lynn. There you go. But yeah, so in this video is just going to be shots of her walking around, sniffing around, you know, enjoying this fall weather. She's been doing great. If you guys have kept up with me since the beginning, she is my second dog I've ever owned in my life. Ryu was my first, but we rehomed him due to lack of space, and he went to a great family that is Sherry's friends, I can say. Lynn, here. There you go. Now, she is retired. I already bred her twice. She produced a nice amount of great, beautiful puppies that all went to loving homes. If you kept up with us, like I said from the beginning, you would see the litters and all that. Now, I didn't document much of those past litters, but I will be starting to do that, which I started with Jazzy's litter. So all my litters from now on, I will be documenting everything from 6 weeks pregnant all the way till the puppies go home. But yeah, Lynn will be staying forever with me. I will never rehome this girl because I love her to death. I still love Ryu. I love all my dogs equally. But yeah, I'm just gonna be done with the talking. Just gonna get on with the video, show her walking around and stuff, and yeah. Stay. Then. Oh, there goes a squirrel. Alright guys, so she's a bit tired now, so I'm just gonna walk her home. And we're gonna end the night there. We're just gonna stay warm. I'm probably gonna practice my tattoo line work while she rests and Yumi rests and all my other dogs. Yeah guys, I will see you in the next video. If you like my content, please leave a like and subscribe. And leave a nice comment please, and we'll see you in the next one. Alright guys, peace.